Hey guys, what is up? It is Drew and we're back again with another video. Today we're going to be installing an exhaust, a catback exhaust on the Infiniti FX35. It's definitely going to be something special. Don't mind me in the back here. We just got something in the works right here. We're just working on the Supercharger. Nothing too serious, but I'll give you a closer look at that, just showing you what's going on with that. But today we're going to be installing the catback exhaust on the Infiniti, and it should be a lot louder than it was before. Now, the reasoning why we're changing the exhaust was the muffler, I believe it was the resonator or the muffler, is broken, and to get a factory OEM one, it was pretty expensive. So we just figured might as well go aftermarket. It's going to sound a lot better, and just why not, We're just pretty much going to take you along with the whole installation. It is a catback, so it shouldn't be that hard, but the car does have some miles on it and it is pretty rusted, so we're probably going to have to saw off some parts of the exhaust in order to get it on. But besides that, it should be an overall relatively easy install, and I hope you guys like it. This exhaust from Invidia is definitely made with quality. Here, let me show you guys really quick. So looking at the actual exhaust, I originally thought it was going to be a catback exhaust, meaning from the catalytic converter's back. However, looking at the exhaust, it looks like it comes with its own high flow catalytic converter. I'm not sure if it's an actual catalytic converter or, we'll just see once we start to install it. But you can obviously see, just look at the welds. Like, that is just perfect right there. And here we got obviously the piping and everything that's going into it. Look at how beautiful that shine is. It's just looking clean. This is the driver's side, I believe. Yeah. And then here we got the actual rear muffler. Just look at the quality. Looks like they welded it with titanium. Just looks clean. Look at those welds. Here we got the X pipe right here. Dang, this thing's gonna sound amazing. Now let me just show you guys the actual titanium tips really quick. So right here we got packaged are the burnt titanium tips right here. Invidia high performance. Dang, just look at that. Some quality right there. We got two of them. Obviously it's the dual exhaust setup, but yeah, just looking at the overall exhaust, this is clean. It's gonna be a full exhaust, and I'll just give you a before and after clip really quick. So now that we cut off the catalytic converters, we had to hear what this bad boy sounded like, straight piped. And this is pretty much what the car sounded like with the exhaust finally installed. warmed up. Keep in mind it is about -2 degrees outside. Alright, it is freezing cold, you guys, but as you can guys pretty much hear, it sounds similar to obviously like a 350Z. I'm pretty sure they have, I think, the same engine, the 3.5 liter V6, so it's not a surprise that it sounds similar. Obviously, me personally, I would prefer the, you know, straight up from the catalytic converters. Obviously sounded like a beast. But obviously, you know, if you're driving, if this is a daily driver, you don't want, you know, obnoxiously loud, you know, sound, you know, from an SUV. But, you know, in my opinion, it kind of sounded like a race car GTR or a straight pipe 350Z, if you want to put it that way. So that's pretty much it for this video. It was just a, you know, obviously it was a pretty hard installation when it came to installing this exhaust on the Infiniti, but pretty much only the hard part was actually removing the old exhaust. And because it had a couple years on it, obviously here in Chicago there's a lot of salt and during the winter time, so especially a lot of corrosion happened. So that was pretty much the hard part, and actually removing the exhaust. But after that, it was pretty much just slipping it on and bolting it up. It was honestly very simple, and honestly, as you can see, it sounds great. Definitely sounds a lot better over factory, and I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you next time.